Alright, here's my handy dandy Keurig coffee maker. That little plastic doodad. And I'll try to put that on Thingiverse for you. But kind of what it is it sits on top and you can put your Keurig cup in there and you can run water through it. So that's the idea. So how do you do it? Well, first of all, you'll want to poke a few holes. See, if you noticed on the side, I've got a little poker. Hope you can see that. And so poke a few on the top. Maybe you want to do that right side up. And don't be a klutz like I am. Trying to hold on to the camera and this at the same time, which I'm not doing a very good job of it. So poke a few holes on top. And that's just so you can tear the top. And then the other one is you want to poke holes on the bottom. And so there's a hole, maybe more than one, two, three, maybe four. Alright. And you can poke as many as you want, I guess, but that should do it for now. So anyway, the top, you'll want to tear off the top so you can get to the grounds. Now, of course, this pod has like a little filter in it. Some coffee pods don't have that, like hot chocolate pods, so that may not work for that. So you'll want to make sure your pod has a filter inside. The other thing you can do is you can actually cut the bottom off, I guess, with scissors maybe. But for this one, we're just going to poke some holes. Now, for this, you want to have a cup that you can make a little funnel, sort of like this. Otherwise, you might get grounds and water everywhere. So let's see if we can do it without being a klutz. And there again, you want to do a little bit at a time, so it'll steep and seep through without getting the grounds in the coffee cup. And this may take a minute or two, so be patient. This is not a fast process. But you get the idea, and hopefully you won't get your coffee grounds in your coffee, and you'll have a wonderful cup of coffee. Now, the reason why I made this is because I'm going to go on a vacation, and I know most hotels have a Keurig machine, so this would not be for that place. But there's a couple places we're going that doesn't have a Keurig machine. Like one's a Alpaca Guest Ranch up in Washington, and I don't think they have a Keurig machine. And there's maybe a couple places that we're going to stay. Anyway. So this will be nice to be able to have coffee. I'll bring my little Keurig pods and this little Keurig coffee maker, and I'll have me some coffee. So you can see this takes a long time, so you got to be patient, but you get your coffee in the morning. Now, of course, your water needs to be hot already. It needs to not have gunk in the bottom. I think I have coffee grounds on the bottom. But you can warm that coffee up in a microwave or on a kettle beforehand, and then pour it in hot, and that's how you get your coffee. Alright, hope you all have a great day, and hope you enjoy the Keurig coffee maker. Bye.